It includes leather upholstery, a power seat, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, heated seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power rear cargo door, rear wipers, and seat memory. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, a 9 GB hard drive, and 11 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Infiniti also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.